Hey there, my millionaire divas. It's your girl Miss Millionaire Peters coming right back at you today. Today's tutorial is gonna be easy, simple, quick, and today I'm going to show you how to shape your eyebrows. We're not using any wax, we're not using any razors, shavers, any of thread, any of those type of stuff. We are going to use Nair, the hair remover. Most of you are familiarized with this, so I'm going to use this today to do my eyebrows, and I have been using this for years, so it's very good on if you have sensitive skin. I would suggest doing a patch test, like probably on your hand or something, just to test to see if you know, if you would break out or stuff like that. I have really sensitive skin, but this is the original. My skin may not react the same like how your skin may react, so I suggest you do a patch test first to see if that your skin can retain it, and then you can go from there. So the tools that you're going to need today, you're going to be needing a spoolie, you're going to need a cotton bud, you're going to need your Nair remover, and some handy dandy baby wipes or makeup wipes, whatever wipes that you have that may not cause any tension. Once it does not contain alcohol, then you are good. So we're going to start by spooling the eyebrows. We're going to start by spooling the eyebrows upward. So you're going to spool your eyebrows upward. I do not, whenever I brush my eyebrow, even if I'm doing my eyebrow for makeup, I do not brush my eyebrow go this way. You see the difference? Many of us brush our eyebrows go this way, and then we do not get the shape that we want, and then we shape it, and then when time for us to do our eyebrow, then we have all the excess hair going on the top. So you're gonna brush it in an upward motion. Make sure that you have everything up the way you want to have it, and then you're going to take some of your Nair remover. You can put it out on like a, you can put it out on one of the baby wipes, but you do not need a lot. You only need like a dime size, like that should be the amount that you need. You do not need a lot. You're going to take your cotton bud, and you're going to just take a bit, a little at a time, okay? And you're gonna outline your eyebrow with the nail. So you're only going to make a line. Let me do this real quickly. So whatever shape eyebrows that you want, you're gonna just shape it out. And you have to move extremely quick, because the hair that's on your face are way more lighter, and your skin are way more sensitive than the other areas of your body. Yeah. I'm going to do the top now. Like I said, you're basically shaping out your eyebrows just as if you are going to draw them on with makeup. You're creating the desired shape that you want with them. And you have to move extremely fast, because if your skin is that sensitive, this thing would burn you. So you have to outline it very, very fast. I normally put some of the Nair in between my two eyebrows, so that I wouldn't have any unibrow. Whatever hair is between there, it would remove it. And I sometimes cover underneath the bottom a bit more, so that it will get those hair under there, so I wouldn't have to do anything else. And that's all. You just go back in, make sure it's covered, and do not rub the Nair into your skin, because you're gonna irritate your skin and your skin is gonna have a blemish. You don't want that. You just want to gradually apply it and let the Nair do the rest. Let the Nair do what it has to do. Okay, you're gonna set your phone quickly for like 1 minute. So I'm gonna set my phone for 1 minute, starting now. And as soon as that 1 minute is up, I'm gonna get my wipes and we're gonna clean it off. So here goes. Boom. Time's up. Time's up. So you're now going to be extremely careful. This is something that you have to really make sure that you're careful for. You can't just go in and, you know. And you're going to wipe left, wipe it off. This is what you get. You see all those hair? And you're gonna wipe, wipe, wipe. Then you're gonna do the other side the right way. You see all those here? Yep. Then you're gonna do it. Then you're gonna get a clean wipe and you're gonna go back in, gently, 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 gently wipe it. Then at this moment you're gonna go and you're gonna wash or rinse your face with some nice warm water. And then I normally take either coconut oil or olive oil, and I moisturize the area so that it wouldn't be dry. And guess what? You are finished. Look at how defined. I'm gonna brush it up now. I'm gonna brush them up so you can see. Just look at how defined my brows are compared to how they looked at first. You see how smooth the line is? And I would not be getting any razor bumps and all of those stuff. So I hope this video was informative for you. Do enjoy, and if you try this method, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social media. If you cannot get any of the Nair, I'm going to I'm going to place it in the description bar below so that you can have it. Okay, thank you for watching my Millionaire Divas. God bless.